Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than yours.
Hey, I'm Netta. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing this polygel set that I purchased from Amazon. It's by Soup We. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm also going to be doing a set. This will be my birthday set. So if that interests you, please continue to watch. This polygel set comes with 6 different polygels. It comes with an application guide, and these are all the colors. I don't know, some of the bottles look different. It's kind of weird. This bottle right here looks different from all the other ones. I don't know, and this one even came packaged different. Whatever, hopefully it hasn't been used. I'm gonna go through and swatch each color. This number, it doesn't have any color names. Oh yes it does, it's called Lilac Purple. Okay, that's pretty. These are all fall colors, I feel like. That's what kind of drew me to it. This color is called Meringue Tangerine. All right, that came out a little easier. Ooh, that is bright. This color is called Olive Green. I'm most definitely gonna use this one. Ooh, that is so pretty. This color is called Violet Red. This color is clear. Maybe that's why it looks different, because it's a clear. Ooh, that looks very clear. You can't really see it on the paper towel, but it's giving clear. Then I have one more color left. This color is called Sweet Yellow. That's pretty too. I know I just be saying the same thing each video. These are all the colors. I think I want to use this one, this one, this one, and this one. I may use the clear to encapsulate. I just want to say I absolutely love this brush that I got from Amazon. I've already put my tips on. I filed them, shaped them. We're gonna go in with this green first. This color is beautiful. Yeah, I gotta get this brush. Everything that I mentioned in this video will be listed below. All right, I'm gonna cure that. I'm gonna go in with my next color. I'm gonna do one layer for each of them, and then I'm gonna go in and build up my apex. The next color, do I wanna use this one? I think I'm gonna use this color next. Next color is gonna be this purple, which I'm excited about because it is so pretty. I'm gonna go in with this velvet red next. Oops. Lastly, I'm gonna go back in with this green on my pinky nail. I'm not going to show me adding the second layer. I will come back when my application is all done. My application is all done. Not that mad at my application this time. Like, I do think after a couple of times of doing this, using different polygels, application will get better. I'm going to go in and wipe down each nail with some 91% alcohol just to take off the sticky layer. So far, I like the polygel. I don't have any bad things to say about it so far. It cured without burning. I'm gonna go in and file and shape these nails. Let me just clean up my area a little bit. If you are not subscribed, please take some time to click on that subscribe button. It does not cost anything. It is free. I don't really say it a lot in my videos, like please subscribe and stuff. I don't want to beg anybody to subscribe. I feel like if you like the content, then you'll subscribe. My nails are all file shaped and buffed. I'm gonna go in with my 91% alcohol. I'm gonna spray my nails down. I must say, I am very, very proud of this application. Like, do y'all see that? I'm so proud of this application. Make sure I get all the dust off. Only critique that I would have with my application is I did not get that close to the cuticle and that one, but all the other ones I did. So that would be the only critique. Other than that, I think I did a great job. So these are the things that I took out to apply to my nails. I also took these stickers out. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but I took them out anyway. And then, of course, I took my abundance of different beads that I cannot just put back. I had to just pour them all in here. I took out this chrome powder. Because, I mean, gold chrome powder, why not? I'm gonna do first. I'm just gonna go one nail at a time. This nail, I wanna do pearls going all down the middle. So I'm gonna take my Rhinestone glue, this one big one in the middle, and then we're just gonna go down smaller. Oops. This looks straight to you. These look straight. These down here don't look that straight. I got this from Amazon. The only thing I don't like about it is that it comes right on, like as soon as you touch it, but it's supposed to be a flash carrying lamp, so let's use it. This nail, I am going to do a necklace. I'm going to go in with a top coat first. I think I'm going to do a cross right here at the bottom. And then I have this chain, which I'm going to do. So let me. Right, we're gonna go with that. Now this nail is gonna be a full charm nail. Because of that, I wanna go in with a glitter nail polish, just so that anything that you can see through it, you can see some glitter. This color is from Model 1s. I'll leave everything in the description box. Going with this one first. Different colors. Cure these, this. This nail is going to be just some freestyle swirlies. Put a couple of dots. I feel like that's pretty good. We're going to cure that. Let me just dust off the excess. Y'all, I am in love. Okay, so the last nail is going to be my pinky, and I'm just going to do another straight down of pearls like I did on my thumb. I'm gonna do one last cure and then I'll come back with my top coat. So let's go in with this top coat. I'm absolutely in love with these nails. So happy that I took the plunge and did them. I already went over this nail with a top coat, but I'm gonna go over it one more time just to fully cover everything, to cover the charm. I feel like that helps everything last. Now for my blinged nail, I'm gonna put it on the side mostly. My last nail. All right, so my nails are all cured. Are you fucking kidding me? Let's go in with the cuticle oil. So yes, I am going to toot my own horn. Toot toot, because these came out so cute. There's some things I would have done differently, but for the most part, I love. Yeah, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. But I feel like I ate. 4 plus 4, 8. If you like this type of content and you want to see more, please consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours. Such thing as a life that's better than